Good morning, everybody. Yeah, early morning here. Yeah, going to the bakery. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. Early morning here, 6:30. Yeah. Bakery. Yeah. It's raining last night. Yeah. We had rain. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Happy Sunday, everybody. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. There's not a lot of people, right? That's good. Yeah. So what's happening in the world? Yeah. Yeah. Happy Sunday, everybody. Yeah. Lights in the trees, it's good. There's new light in the trees here. It's good. The city is doing something. It's also good. Yeah. Nice to see. See the small lights in the trees. That's good. Yeah. Small light. It's good. Yeah. Doing that. Yeah. Hi, bakery is closed. Hi, I need to find another bakery. Hi. It's closed. Hi, I need to go back. Yeah. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Now you can see good. Yeah. It's a little bit dark. Yeah. It's become a little bit warmer right now. We're 6 degrees now. It's not bad. It's good. 6 degrees. I need to go find another bakery. Oh my god. Ay. I don't know. It's closed. It was closed. I don't know. Yeah. I have good sleeping in there. My sleep was very good. Yeah. New day again. Yeah. You get the moon. I see the moon there. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Alright, find another bakery. Yeah. I like the lights in the trees, they're very good. Summertime they put flowers there, it's so good. It's proper for the city here. In fact, small city here. Small community here. Yeah. I'm driving again my car. Yeah. Yesterday I put charging my car. Yeah, that's good. See the bakery is open there. And I think it's open. I think, wait, I can see lights. I think it's open. Yeah, it's open. It's open. Yeah, going to the bay. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you.